Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make tamarind and date chutney. This chutney is so delicious and goes so well for the chaat, masala, samosa, pav bhaji, vada pav and pani puri. So it's so good, it's nice consistent and you can always enjoy. Before that, click that like, share and subscribe now. All you need are dates about half cup, tamarind half cup, jaggery or jaggery syrup about half cup, garlic, few garlic, ginger, fennel seed, coriander powder, chili powder, cumin seed and black salt. And also you need a regular salt about 1 tablespoon. In the pot I'm just adding about 1 cup water. I'm adding tamarind and all other spices and all other ingredients and I'm let it boil. And now I'm adding the jaggery syrup and bring it boil for 15 minutes. Once it's boiled and all getting softened, and we need to let it cool completely before we blend it. Now it's ready, completely cool. And just place into food processor and just run it until we get a nice smooth thick paste. So keep run the food processor until you find the right consistent, and we need to strain all that pulp that we blended. Use the strainer and you find the paste is so thick, add some hot water. See, we're not able to strain it all, so to make loosen up just add about 1 cup hot water and then it easily to smooth that paste. So just run it and then strain it, use the spoon and you get this all the nice tamarind and date paste. So this chutney is so good and simply delicious, and it goes so well for the chaat masala, pani puri, samosa, vada pav, and today I made a sabudana vada and it goes so well with the chutney. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and have a fantastic day. Before that, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe now and click that bell button to get the notification.